Enable ReQueue on your calendar so you can start to take advantage of the only social automation tool with built-in intelligence, but also offers added control and flexibility. Once ReQueue is enabled, you can start working with groups. ReQueue groups allow you to categorize different types of messages you want automated. To help you get started, you will see a few default groups automatically created for you after you have enabled ReQueue. You can work with the default groups and/or create new groups at any time. There are two different types of groups you can have in ReQueue. Both will allow you to automate your social scheduling. Placeholder groups allow you to manually select the date, time, and frequency for messages that will be sent in this type of group. Intelligent groups will intelligently fill in the gaps in your social schedule with messages from this type of group according to your intelligent group settings. There are also basic group settings you can set up in here as well. However, go to ReQueue settings to set up global and intelligent group settings. These can be adjusted at any time. Once you have your settings and groups ready to go, simply populate your groups with your best social messages. This can be done when you create a standalone social message, messages in a social campaign. You can even do this for messages after they have posted. You can also create new messages right inside your groups. You will soon start to see the messages ReQueue has scheduled for you on your calendar, up to 2 weeks in advance. They will look like this on your calendar. You can select them to edit them, or select to skip for 2 weeks. You will also see where ReQueue has identified empty gaps on your calendar. Empty ReQueue gaps are spots on your calendar where ReQueue would like to schedule a message according to your settings, but you do not have enough social messages in your ReQueue groups to allow for this. You can easily fill in these gaps by selecting them on your calendar. And this is CoSchedule's ReQueue.